friends, it's Susannah. It's a Strong Bones Challenge for the month of June. Thanks for joining me in my backyard. We are going to do two versions of power challenge here right now. The first one, keeping the feet on the ground but moving fast. And I just want to demonstrate one for you to caution you from overextending your back. Don't want to arch your back. You want to come up like this. You're going to move fast. You're squatting low and then up you go. But squeeze your glutes, engage your core, and don't go backwards like that. Okay? That's the first one. We'll do that 15 times as fast as you can. And then I'm going to go into the next version, which will be the same thing, but I'll leave the ground in a hop. So you can choose to do both or just one of those versions. And that's our challenge. Let's do it. All right, that was 15. I'm taking a short break. Now I'm going to go back and do 15 hops. You can do 15 hops now, or you can do the same thing we just did, keeping your feet on the ground, your choice. Hop and get your heart rate up, and that's the idea. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna stop there, but for you, you may want to choose, and I highly recommend you take a break and then do another set of either of those options, maybe even 2 more sets. Okay, let's get strong together. If you enjoyed this little challenge video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Facebook group, go to Facebook, request to join. We'd love to have you. And I have a video that demonstrates these exercises and a few more. I'm calling my videos that I'm making this month the new Power Forever Yoga. So power yoga in a new way is going to help us age with power. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Leave a comment below. See you on Facebook.